Welcome back to another Savannah Workshop session where we teach you how to craft high-quality, handcrafted products from scratch. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the Savannah Liquid Multipurpose Detergent, a versatile cleaning solution ideal for floors, mats, carpets, vehicles, and toilets. However, please note that this detergent is not suitable for washing hands or other parts of the body. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make 10 liters of Savannah Liquid Multipurpose Detergent. 10 liters of water, 25 grams of caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, 250 grams of acid, linear alkyl benzene sulfonic acid, 500 grams of ungerol, sodium lauryl ether sulfate, 500 grams of industrial salt, 20 grams of STTP, sodium tripolyphosphate, 10 milliliters of formalin as a preservative, 10 grams of green color, and 5 milliliters of citrus-scented perfume. Be sure to handle these chemicals with care. Some, like caustic soda and acid, are highly corrosive and can cause severe harm if they come into contact with your skin or eyes. Before we start, let's focus on safety. Always wear rubber gloves, safety goggles, and protective clothing, such as long sleeves and pants. Work in a well-ventilated area and ensure that children and pets are kept far away from your workstation. Now, with all your equipment ready and your safety gear on, let's begin. Step 1. Start by adding 1 liter of water to a bucket. Slowly sprinkle in 25 grams of caustic soda while stirring. Never add water to caustic soda. It can cause a dangerous reaction. Stir until the caustic soda dissolves completely, then set it aside to cool. Step 2. In another bucket, combine 250 grams of acid, 500 grams of ungerol, and 500 grams of industrial salt. Stir the mixture thoroughly until it forms a smooth cream-white paste and the salt is fully dissolved. Step 3. Add 20 grams of STTP to the paste and continue stirring. This helps to improve the cleaning power and texture of the detergent. Step 4. Slowly pour in the remaining water, little by little, while stirring continuously. This ensures the mixture blends evenly without clumping. Step 5. Once the lye has cooled, add it to the mixture from step 4. Stir carefully and consistently in the same direction until the paste dissolves completely. Consistency is key here. Step 6. Now, add 10 grams of green water-soluble dye and 10 milliliters of formalin to the mixture. Stir thoroughly to distribute the color and preservative evenly. Finally, incorporate 5 milliliters of citrus-scented perfume to give your detergent a fresh and pleasant aroma. Step 7. Leave the detergent to rest for 12 hours. This allows all the ingredients to settle and ensures the detergent is ready for use. And there you have it, your very own Savannah Liquid Multipurpose Detergent, ready to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. By following these steps, you've created a professional-grade product that's effective and economical. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons in the Savannah Workshop. Until next time, stay safe and keep creating.